Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Today, let's explore the incredible land of Mexico, known not just for its rich traditions and cool stories, but also for something sweet. Chewing gum. Get ready for the tale of Chicle, a natural wonder from Mexican jungles that changed how gum was made back in the day.
Me llamo Reinaldo Rivas, soy originario de aquí de Petcacap y pues al adentrarme en esta área de trabajo, porque es un trabajo, incorporándome con mi papá, le fui agarrando ese gusto a la chicleada y pues a los 15 años empecé a andar con él. Lo primero que debe que aprender un chiclero es andar troncoñando, lo que es perfeccionar los cortes para no cometer ningún error. Y pues ahí, sí.
Chicle, a milky sap harvested from the Chico zapote, or sapodilla tree, was used by the Aztecs and Mayans for centuries, not just for chewing, but also for medicinal purposes and ceremonial offerings. It is generally said when Europeans arrived, they recognized the potential of chicle for commercialization, and it soon became the main ingredient in mass-produced chewing gum. For over a century, chicle powered the chewing gum industry, and its legacy continues to inspire today.
La primera vez sí sentí un poco de temor, de pánico, pues porque no sabía cómo treparme al árbol con las puyas. Y pues sobre todo la precaución en este trabajo es muy importante, ya que es un trabajo riesgoso. Cualquier error puede puede incluso costarte la vida, sí. Y lo que se sugiere mejor es limpiar el área donde vas a estar trabajando con el chicle.
The harvesting of chicle is a labor-intensive process, requiring the expertise and dedication of skilled climbers known as Chicleros. These individuals, like our friend Ronaldo here, often are descended from generations of chicle harvesters. They possess remarkable agility and resilience as they ascend the sapodilla trees, defying gravity and using the tree's bark as handholds and footholds. It only takes a few minutes for them to reach the top and get back down. Using a specialized knife, they carefully make zigzag cuts into the bark, allowing the sap to ooze out. The chiclero carefully navigates the tree, ensuring it does not harm it while maximizing the sap yield.
El árbol se llama el chicozapote, lo que podemos encontrar en todo aquí el ejido de Petcacap, ya que es muy abunda mucho ese árbol.
This technique, known as the corte de chicle, ensures a steady flow of sap without damaging the tree. As the chicle sap begins to flow down the zigzag pattern, chicleros collect it in small bags or containers attached to the cuts for a day. The collected sap, initially soft and sticky, holds the essence of the sapodilla tree.
ya lo habrán observado, el proceso es venir aquí, cortar el árbol, sacarle lo que es la resina y después llevarlo para que pasen un proceso de cocinación hasta que llegue en un grado donde ya se convierta en chicle.
It is boiled over open fires to extract its natural flavors and aromas and transform it into a pliable mass that can be kneaded and shaped. The boiling of chicle is not an easy task. The sap is initially a milky, sticky substance that can be quite challenging to work with. It requires constant stirring and attention to ensure it doesn't burn or scorch. They also carefully control the temperature of the fire, as too much heat can damage the sap's properties. As the sap cooks, it undergoes a remarkable transformation. It thickens and darkens, becoming more viscous and pliable. The natural flavors and aroma that were previously subtle become more pronounced, giving the chicle its unique character. Chicleros check the thickness of the chicle by submerging it in cold water. If the chicle floats, it has reached the optimal thickness. If the chicle sinks, it needs to be boiled more. If the chicle dissolves, it is too thin and needs to be added to the boiling mixture.
Pues porque ahorita en estos tiempos no hay casi, no hay chicleros, ya que pues no sé, no les gusta, no les agrada, pero pues yo sí me siento orgulloso de mi parte y podría decir que me gusta este trabajo de chiclear, ya que es como una descendencia. Mi papá es chiclero y yo quiero ser chiclero.
Once the chicle has reached optimum thickness, they are removed and spread out on a flat surface to cool. This allows the chicle to solidify and become more pliable, making it easier to knead and shape. These chewing gums are biodegradable, meaning they naturally break down over time as they derive from natural ingredients. In contrast, synthetic gums, taking up to 100 years to decompose, highlight the eco-friendly advantage of these biodegradable alternatives. The crucial next step involves kneading and shaping the organic gum. Chicleros skillfully work the chicle in their hands, enhancing its pliability, and then employ a wooden mold to give it a distinct form.
Depende si el zapote está sano y cuenta con suficiente resina. Puede incluso hasta darte unos 2 litros, 3 litros de resina, un árbol, cuando está completamente sano y bueno. Pues el sabor es simple, le podría decir, porque sí, no tiene ningún saborizante y nada de eso, es completamente natural.
They allow the shaped gum to cool and harden before packaging it. Today, the global chewing gum market is a billion-dollar industry, with over 370 billion pieces consumed annually. While synthetic gum dominates the market, chicle-based gum is experiencing a resurgence, particularly among those seeking a more natural and sustainable option. Thanks to the dedication of Chicleros, this traditional product continues to delight and refresh consumers worldwide. That's the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.